Hi guys, welcome to our new video. Today we got 2004 Toyota Corolla and we are changing engine mount on this car as customers feel some vibration when the car is on idle position. So we have an engine mount over there. That one is your engine mount, and to open this up it's pretty easy job. That one you have to open one, and one is down, and one is here third, and one is on the side fourth. So these all four are 14 and two are down, as you can see. So yeah, these one, so these one are 14 one is on that side and one is on back of that. So we have to open these one to take the mount out. So before loosening them, make sure you lift your engine by using a jack so that it doesn't fall off. So when you are putting jack under the car, make sure you use a wood on top of that so that you don't damage your engine oil pan. So let's start. So that's how you can use jack, the wood, to support your engine. Now first of all we have to open this one. This one is 14 so you can use your gun to open this up. So once it's out, you can use 14 socket to open the lower bolts. So we already take out these two screws. They are pretty pain in the ass to open this up, right? So after that we're gonna remove 1, 2, 3, yeah, these 3 screws, and then it will come out. So you can use extension and gun. That's how it will come out, and same for this one. It's pretty hard to show you. Yeah, it's on the other side. Yeah, here you go. That's how for this one. Yeah, so that's how you can open this up. So that's our new mount and that's our old mount. As you can see, the rubber start cracking, so we are replacing before it fully crack. But yeah, you can see the cracks. And that one you can just put it back like this and tighten the screw. So once you put everything back, just put the bolt and use your hand and just go like 3-4 turns so that they will sit properly, and then you can use your gun or you can use your ratchet to tighten them up, or you can lower little engine a little bit so that it will fit properly over there, and then you can just tighten the bolt. So after tightening them, that's the only thing you have to do in the whole video. So it's pretty easy. You can just tighten them. You can find out the torque specs online. There are 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3, and one is on the side 4, and 2 14 down there. So just tighten them, and that's how you can change your engine mount. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a good one.